Okay, we're back in Charlie's mom's kitchen, and today we are doing something that will be really good for back to school, easy weeknight meals. I know you probably made this for Charlie a lot when he was young. Was he a picky eater?
Not really, but sorta.
Okay, well this is Sloppy Joe's. We've already started to brown the meat. I assume this was one of his favorite things.
Yes, he
Okay.
loved it.
And so it's, just got a few ingredients. So we used a really lean ground beef, and if it's super lean, you probably won't even have to drain it at all, but you can drain off any excess grease once that it is already browned. And then we'll start to add in all of the ingredients. This is mustard, ketchup, chili powder, and some Worcestershire sauce. Now I've got a recipe that adds some extra little things. Have you ever thought about straying from these ingredients and adding
I don't
something different? Okay, so I guess I need to go ahead and just start adding things as I'm told. You don't stray at all?
No,
You wouldn't think about
why mess with something with success?
considering something else?
If he'll eat it, don't mess with it.
Okay. Well, you never know what cooking fairy might come in and change it up a bit. Here goes the chili powder.
Oh yes,
Put
you
that
have
in
to
there.
have the chili powder.
That's looking good. And, I think I heard something in the other room.
Oh, I don't know. Was that hugging? Were you calling Nana?
Oh, little tomato paste never hurt anybody. It's going to thicken it up a bit.
Isn't that just like somebody to add something?
I think Granddaddy's calling you from the other room.
Granddaddy, were you calling me? Did you need me for something? Can you believe that?
This is soy sauce. It really adds some. You're going to love it. I promise you're going to love it.
Oh dear.
So we're going to continue to let this simmer and all of those juices come together and the flavors. So we'll be right back. Okay, now that my mother-in-law is gone, I have the kitchen to myself for a minute. This is what I really like to do. In addition to the ketchup, I like to add a little bit of barbecue sauce. It just gives it a little something, something. I wonder if she's going to notice that there's another ingredient in her recipe. We're going to find out in just a minute. Okay, I think it is all simmered and it looks wonderful. I think your recipe is fantastic. It didn't really need anything else added to it. It's good just the way it is. So why don't we go ahead and serve it up. We've got these little Hawaiian rolls because we're going to do sliders this time because I think they're so good for a little bite-sized snack and, little meal. So did you put cheese on the sliders?
Yes, but I didn't have fancy cheeses like Kobe. We just put good old American cheese.
The kind in the cellophane.
The kind in the cellophane that you had to take apart. Get those sealed before we get started.
That's the best kind sometimes. So, got this all served up. Put as much as you like on there. And you know what? If you have extra of this, there's all kinds of things you can do with extra Sloppy Joe's mix, I think
Exactly.
you could turn it into like nachos or anything else because it's so good. You think we should taste them?
Yeah, have one.
Why don't you try?
I don't know.
See what you think. Does it taste like you remember?
Almost. There's a little something extra in here, but it's good. It's delicious. I really like it.
Well, cool.
I need to call Hogan and let him sample.
Well, this was fun. Thank you so much for cooking with me. I enjoyed it so much.
Well, I really liked it, but I have a suggestion. Let's keep going. We can fill up my freezer before you go home.
well, I think you're on your own there.
Thank you.